Evening, folks. Sunday, sometime in July. Another report on my three-wheel car built from a Subaru XT6 12 years ago. Still have problems with the engine. I've changed the MAF, oxygen sensor, cleaned out the PCV valve, or whatever they call that cylinder type thing. Runs great until it warms up. Then it goes into its boggin and coffin joint. Still have a squeaky power steering belt. I've been trying to find out what type of manual rack and pinion I can put into this car. Whoa, thunder! But I do have a windshield. No side windows as yet. They will be plexiglass eventually. The interior is pretty much finished. It's all carpeted. It's got seats. The dash is not finished. It's just put together for that little gathering of the Subaru XT and SVXs down in North Carolina at the end of the month. But the radio works, cigarette lighter works, wiper works on high speed only. I haven't been able to figure out the switch of the Subaru to go to a English MGB wiper motor. The top is done. I do have a back window. Gas tank filler is off in the Triumph Spitfire. Luggage rack is off a Chrysler in the junkyard. Tail lights, marker lights, turn signals, side exhaust pipes. But the cool thing about this, probably the top. Push a button. And top goes up. Makes it a lot easier getting inside this tight little car. You can see how close those seats are. It's a little hard pulling the emergency brake, but it's doable. I was underneath the car doing the CO2 sensor, and it's a bushing that's actually on the transmission that has the wobble for the stick. So my only conclusion is possibly the temperature sensor on the engine. I did have to put it back in for my digital dash. I put in a pipe with the temperature sensor on it, but I may have wired it wrong back into the computer. Because like I said, this car is like a go-kart on steroids till it warms up. So in order to get to that, I'm going to have to take the dash out again. And that's quite a chore at this point. So the car is going as is. But at least the top was successful. Goes down nice and tight. I did drive it around. I do not need to add latches to the front. It's pretty hard to lift it. So it will be at the gathering in North Carolina. You see the Cadillac third brake light. Nice long light. The hinges are from a Marine. I still need to find one more screw. I bought the wrong thread. Decided to mount the Ram bracket through the canvas instead of underneath it, in case I had to take them off. So that's about it. The top does work. It's just that the engine doesn't. I think that's cool. Skippy engineering. The convertible material is off a Mitsubishi Eclipse, which I cut off the car in the junkyard and took it to an upholster. He resewed it to fit my fiberglass top I made. So that's it. Have a good weekend. Enjoy the work week. I'm semi-retired, so I get to just think about what else I can do. I still got some work to do on the hood before I put it on. I don't really like the design of it, but it's there. So, have a good evening. Take care. Sayonara. Ooh, thunder.